6-1 of 22, we have the SPY. This is where we called the rally on 520. And day after day, we played it all the way up to the top. And we got right up here. And then we have a big reversal bar. Now, it's not doom and gloom. We have support right down here. Let that be known at 405. And that's going to be that key level where we got this part of the last part of the breakout in the SPY. We went ahead and started trimming our positions today just because we don't want to risk, these rallies are short term and they're sell the rally. That sentiment, we don't know how deep it will go, but we do know by looking at the positive breakout volume with one day, it's not doom and gloom. It's just that we take our money off of the table knowing when to sell, why you should join the free 5-day trial program. Enjoy loading up with ideas and trades and everything alike. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you watch the video, just go ahead and click on subscribe. After you do that, well, you can make a comment and ask a question about your stock or indexes. Go ahead and feel free. Just hit the comment thing there, down there at the bottom, and then you can go ahead and I'll answer you. How's that sound? So it's with the positive volume of the breakout straight across the bottom here where I just drew a trend line. Those are the amount of days. From the 20th is where it really started off of the lows. And we have that on the website, and that we do. And if you go to dailystockcharts.com, you're going to find that out right here. Trading volatility. So these rallies remain sales, and you have all your videos. You can spend hours, months, years. They're all live, just like we're doing now. And we called the SPY bull trend, and we did, and we bought the calls. But today, when we had that negative volume at that topping pattern, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, we got past the 5th day, there's the 6th day, but the 7th day of the trend, the 7 trading actual days, and if you take a look at the volume count, that is very clear, my friends. So having said that, we can see what that pattern is. The other thing that we could say is this the beginning of another bigger pullback? We don't know. We're not here to guess that. What we are here to say is what they look like when they start. And then we identify them, and then we'll monitor them thereafter. And you can go ahead and get involved. For the people that didn't get in, there's another trend line right up here that shows exactly how we got into this reversal right there. And the portion of the daily bar is on the other side of the trend line. How far that goes from that pattern here, that was a low, that was higher low than this. And we knew right then that the buyer stepped in, and we identified it. But today, we have a doji set up with a confirmation that the red bar going down is super greater in value, but it never got or closed above the body of that cross there. We call that the doji pattern. On our website, we have free events. Yes, we do. Right here. When I scroll up here in free events, you can learn how to trade dojis. Just go ahead and when it slides, you'll find out live trading events. They're all there for you right now on this very day. But nonetheless, my friends, we're doing this with a top. How far it goes will be dependent on the support levels. So this bar right here is going to be the real big support. That's going to be at 405 and 74. And then the half bar right here would be another support area. Okay. So we would say that as long as we can hold 401 and then move back higher. But right now, nonetheless, that is a doji confirmation reversal bar on June 1, selling into the rally.